Focus on a couple of media stocks. They're in focus today on the back of a downgrade that's coming in for both stocks. That's Zee as well as Sun. Nimesh joins us to fill us in with more details. Nimesh?
And Ajilena, it's an unusual day to talk about downgrades on a day when the indices are up 2-3% and big rally in the markets as well. But nevertheless, that's media stocks. Both Sun TV and Zee TV has seen a bit of a downgrade, and that report has come from the UBS, and they believe that the TV ad revenue growth is is past its inflection point, and from here on they are going to rapidly underperform the GDP growth as well. Remember, for both Sun TV and Zee TV, TV ad contributes nearly 70 to 80% of their consolidated revenues, and they believe that the growth will only disappoint going ahead. So on back of that, UBS has downgraded both Sun TV and Zee TV today. On Sun TV, they have downgraded the stock to sell now from neutral, and they have a target price of 600 rupees. They believe that the IPL is priced in, and there are and now it lacks further catalyst, positive catalyst going forward for Sun TV. In fact, the advertising revenue seems to be the past, and there could be no further gains. And broadly, while the IPL revenues are played out, they say it's difficult to time the media revenues. So I mean, largely to see the movie revenues going forward. So that's on Zee. They've downgraded to sell. And on Zee TV, they've downgraded the stock to neutral now, and there they have a target price of 260. Even for Zee TV, they believe that post the recent rally, the merger-related news is largely priced in at current levels, and they see that ad revenues to taper from here on. In fact, they expect only 3 to 5% revenue growth, ad revenue growth in the medium term for these television companies as internet and smartphone penetrates further. So, a lack of ad revenue growth will be a key catalyst downside for the media names, and hence a big downgrade on Zee as well as on Sun TV today.
Elections notwithstanding, right? I mean, the general elections are in front of us, but I think UBS is making a slightly longish kind of call here. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. Nimesh, of course,